If you consider that in your home you have many things that you do not use or no longer need, it is time to take advantage of this series of applications that will help you sell and make a profit. Also, you can buy items and take advantage of offers without leaving your home and the convenience of your cell phone. Free market works in a large number of countries. You can publish products and buy with a high standard of security, thanks to the reputation of each seller. You can find products of all kinds: clothing, fashion, technology, decoration, and more. Also find offers from official stores. If you want to publish a product, the announcement is free. Buying and selling is very simple. You should only post photos, contact information, and a short description. It offers a messaging service, so you do not have to leave the application. Letgo is an innovative application. It has smart image recognition to add a title and tags to articles automatically. It shows offers near your location. Wish is about buying international products at very cheap prices. It has a fashion selection, trend accessories, and electronic gadgets. Find brochures, catalogs, and offers of stores in Mexico, Colombia, and Chile. It allows you to consult the information of more than 55,000 stores and subscribe to receive launches, discounts, and news. This is an application to buy and sell used clothes of good quality, with shipments and discounts. Allows you to customize your closet according to brands and sellers. This is an online store for men and women with all kinds of famous brands worldwide. It has exclusive offers and according to their level of purchase will have free shipping. Offers shoes, boots, bags, dresses, perfumes, and beauty products.